everybody.
We didn't brush our hair today, so
Me neither. See, and I'm wearing the same clothes.
We're good. About to girls.
yeah. So she's gonna be my
And
sister's going to be trying
so
this piece of gum.
so
It's
there.
Hubba Bubba
There.
bubble tape.
There.
It's called Tangy
And I'm
Tropical.
gonna try the Tangy Tropical gum. I'm very excited to try this. It smells so
She dropped a piece. Okay, I'm gonna be trying these banana chips. I've never tried them before, so
That's good. That's good. It tastes like mango or something. So let's see her.
I was just eating Doritos.
Oh, you were eating Doritos?
Yeah. I need to open this bag. Daggone it.
Okay, that's fine. That's just me. Okay. My phone.
It smells weird.
Oh, thank God I got that lemon head out of my hair. They're hard to bite.
This is good.
Banana chips. I don't know where we got this one. I think we got it from Myers.
It really does taste like a chip.
And it looks like bananas. I thought they looked gross because they actually look like bananas and it was banana chips. I'm just like, ew.
Well, that tastes gross.
I know.
That was a fail. It was good at first, but then it... Oh, my nail. Oh, I just missed both. Sis, can you go pick that up, please?
Her nail just fell off.
I got new nail today.
Where's the other one?
Now I'm trying the Fiber One.
That's good, and
It
it's
is.
also healthy. So,
I like these.
do you want me to open it for you?
Yes, please. My nails aren't working today. All you need is love. All you need is love.
I usually just open it from here and just take little pieces of it and just like that's.
I thank you. I thank you. Ooh, that smells good, baby.
I also have like mint chocolate and cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
My mom eats them.
Oh, there's a chocolate chip.
Mm-hmm.
It smells good.
Try it.
That's
It's
what it looks
good. I want to
No. Their
It's
mom, our mom, eats it.
Yeah.
She said her mom. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Like I said, my mom. Well, it is technically my mom and your mom, but like when
Well-
I'm talking about myself, it's like it's confusing.
Well, also because it's also our mom because our dads are the same, but our moms are different. That's why we look nothing alike. Because we get it from our dads. Our dad.
Oh my God!
We have like
I fell off the mat.
we have freckles and everything, but you just can't see mine. They're there.
There.
See those dots? See those dots? Those are freckles. That's good. That's delicious.
Oh God.
You try that.
What?
Open it.
What?
Please. Open the bag, please.
Tear here. See, it says.
I know,
tear
I
here.
just can't open it because my nails. They fall off.
It's actually hard to open. They're all like chocolate. They're like the whole thing's like a brownie. I'm not fond of them. I like the chocolate chip little bites.
I
more.
know. I like the muffins.
But have you ever tried just pure fudge? I don't like them very much, but
That means
they're
I'm not-
good still. They're like brownies. They're technically
Smell it.
brownies. So do I.
Yeah.
Just
It smells like Play-Doh, guys. I think the ones that I like the most is most likely going to be the Fiber One bar.
I'm getting the list.
Fiber One bar. Good.
Oh, if I want to get person.
So guys,
It's a chip. It's a chip, everyone. What?
it fell out. Did you know I watched this video and this guy said that Hubba Bubba tape is 6 feet long?
That's almost as tall as Mr. Reeser.
It's 6 feet long.
No, on top. It could be.
Yeah, if you would stand up straight. What was that?
I was just being like.
Oh, go get my new book. Bye, everybody. Peace out. Oh, and be good, my little kittens.